Now we are going to see IIT JEE 2015 mains paper mathematics questions and solutions. The first question is, let A and B be two sets containing 4 and 2 elements respectively. Then the number of subsets of the set A into B, that is the A cross B, each having at least 3 elements is. So here we have to find the number of subsets of this A cross B. So first it is given that the number of elements in the set A is 4 and the number of elements in the set B is 2. So that is n of A equal to 4 and n of B equal to 2. And now by using this only we have to find out the required answer. So here what will be the number of elements in the set A cross B? So here the number of elements in the set A cross B will be equal to this 4 into 2, which is 8. So now we have the number of elements in this set A cross B as 8. So therefore what will be the number of subsets? So here the number of subsets of this set A cross B will be equal to what? 2 to the power the number of elements, which is 8, and now this will be equal to what? 256. So this is what the total number of subsets of this set A cross B. And now what we have to do is we have to find the number of subsets of the set each having at least 3 elements. So now what we are going to do is we are going to find out the number of subsets having 0 elements, 1 element and 2 elements. And now first let us find the number of subsets having 0 elements. So this will be equal to what? This is nothing but 8C0 and this will be equal to simply 1. And now we are going to find out the number of subsets having 1 element each. So this will be equal to what? Here in this set A cross B we have totally 8 elements. So therefore we have 8C1 choices to form these kind of sets, isn't it? So therefore we have 8C1 and this will be equal to what? 8. And now we are going to find out the number of subsets having 2 elements each. So now this will be equal to what? This will be equal to 8C2 and this is equal to 8 factorial by 6 factorial into 2 factorial. And now if we simplify this, then what will we get? This 8 factorial can be written as 8 into 7 into the 6 factorial, and this divided by the 6 factorial into 2 factorial here is what? It is 2. So now if we divide 6 factorial by 6 factorial, then we will get 1. And again if we divide 8 by 2, then we will get 4. Now 4 into 7 will be equal to what? 28. So therefore the number of subsets having 2 elements each is equal to 28. And now what we have to find? We have to find the number of subsets having at least 3 elements. So this will be equal to what? Here if we want to find the number of subsets having at least 3 elements, then from the total number of subsets 256, then we have to subtract all these 3 numbers. That is, from this total number of subsets we are subtracting the number of subsets having 0 elements, 1 element each and 2 elements each. So 256 minus 1 plus 8 plus 28. So now this is equal to what? 256 minus, here 28 plus 1, 29. 29 plus 38 will be equal to 37. So now if we subtract these two values, then we will get 219 as the required answer. So hence out of these 4 options, option A 219 is the correct answer. Now we are going to see the second question. Now the second question here is, a complex number Z is said to be unimodular if modulus of Z equal to 1. Suppose Z1 and Z2 are complex numbers such that Z1 minus 2 into Z2 divided by 2 minus Z1 into Z2 bar is unimodular and Z2 is not unimodular, then the point Z1 lies on here. So here listen, it is given that this is unimodular. So therefore what can we say that? Then we can say that modulus of this Z1 minus 2 into Z2 divided by 2 minus Z1 into Z2 bar will be equal to 1. So now we have to square both sides.